What's going on YouTube? My name is Dennis Anthony and I am back to show you how you can create less content while growing your business still. Okay, listen up. Everybody out there right now is telling you to pump out content on the daily, to make hundreds and hundreds of videos or hundreds of posts or hundreds of this and that. I am here to tell you that you don't have to create hundreds of pieces of content a day. Okay, yes, that business model can work, but then you fall into an ever-going cycle, like a hamster in a wheel. You just keep going around and around and around and around. Okay, here's how you can create less pieces of content while still growing your online business. Okay, focus on quality more so than quantity. And what that means is that instead of just trying to pump out 100 pieces of small pieces of content just to get it filtered out there, focus on maybe 10, okay? As soon as this content is created, instead of just putting it in one spot and hoping that you get a bunch of traffic because you're uploading 20 times a day, how about you take that one video that you're gonna upload on YouTube and then resurface that video into Instagram, into Facebook, into Twitter, into your email marketing list. Okay, so with that being said, is instead of having to make 100 different videos for each one of these social platforms, you can just make one, resurface that content, and recirculate it through the other social networks. So instead of trying to focus so much on making different videos, you focus on one video that you can push out to each one of your social media accounts. Okay, so get the engagement up on Facebook from the video that you uploaded to YouTube. Get the likes and the followers up on Instagram by posting, recirculating your YouTube video onto your Instagram live store, on Instagram stories, or taking screenshots and posting those as pictures. Okay, get the engagement up on the one video instead of trying to focus on 100 videos. Okay, that's one easy way that you can grow your business with making less content. Okay, I'm going to be doing a lot more short, in-depth tutorial videos going forward. So until next time, if you're looking to create an online business and you really have no idea where to get started, I can help you out. Down below in the description, you can get my Internet Marketing Profits book. Also, if you want to automate the whole system, I'm going to throw my affiliate link down there for ClickFunnels. You can go ahead and get started on all sorts of free templates, start creating your sales funnel, start building your email list. Until next time, I will see you guys on the other side.